Significance of certifications, navigating graphic installation expertise. The ongoing debate in the realm of graphic installation revolves around the importance of certifications. So what is the answer? Yes, certifications do matter, especially when it comes to navigating the nuances of various material types. Different materials demand different installation techniques. Certifications indicate an installer's proficiency in handling specific material types. For instance, certifications in vinyl installation ensure that the professional is well versed in the intricacies of applying vinyl graphics to diverse surfaces, be it vehicles, walls, or windows. Certified installers possess in-depth knowledge that translates into superior quality and precision. They understand the unique characteristics of each material, allowing them to choose the right tools, adhesives, and methods for a flawless installation. Materials and technologies are in constant flux. Certified installers are committed to staying updated on the latest industry trends and material advancements. When you work with certified professionals, you benefit from innovative solutions that align with your project's requirements. Choosing the right graphic installer extends beyond seeking certifications. It's about selecting a professional with the right certifications for your specific needs. A certified installer in vinyl graphics might not have the expertise needed for installing large-scale banners or architectural films. A knowledgeable installer eliminates potential errors caused by mismatched materials and improper techniques. By aligning with the right certified installer, you're ensuring a seamless installation process that marries expertise with the unique demands of your chosen material, resulting in a project that stands out in terms of both aesthetics and quality. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit www.americangraphiccontractors.com for more information.